ever since I got my Tesla Model 3 2 months ago, I've really been looking at getting the wireless charger for the inside of the car in the center console. And I was looking at the one that Tesla sells, and that one goes for a little over $100. But I found this TAPTES wireless charger V2 on Amazon and decided to give it a buy. So this kit allows for both 2 phone charging. When we take it out of the box, I can show you guys that for some smaller phones, and then a bigger phone like an iPhone 11 Pro Max, which is the one I have, you can lay horizontally in this orientation and also wirelessly charge as well. So opening the box, we have the charger board itself. So we have 2 micro USBs in the back that will get power for the wireless charging coils. So we'll take this out. And here we go. So this is what the front of the board looks like. Really, really nice material. Honestly, really, really sturdy. And it's a rubberized surface, so your phone won't slide around or anything like that when it's in the horizontal or vertical position. So that is what that looks like. And then going into the box, we also get 2 USB splitters. So we can take our one USB. So there's 2 USBs in the front of the Model 3. So we can take one, use it with these 2 micro USB connectors to connect to the actual wireless charging unit, and then use the other USB port in our Model 3 for the USB for Sentry mode and our dashcam. So that is what we're really going to be using these for, which is really, really nice and really great that they come included with this kit. And this kit is only $45 rather than the $100 for the original Tesla wireless charger, and it has great reviews on Amazon. I'll leave a link to this product in the description below. But let's go ahead and actually install this into the Model 3, see how it works, see how it looks, and get some feedback. So now that we're in the Tesla, I have all the cords that we need. So you're going to take each one of the adapters, so the one USB male adapter to the 2 female adapters, and you're going to plug one of your micro USBs into each one of those. So now you have 2 sets of your female to male with 1 single micro USB, and that still leaves you with 2 free USB ports at the front. I'm going to use one of those for my Sentry mode USB, but all you have to do is then plug in to your USB ports and then run the cable through the holes in the back of the center console. So we're just going to run it through those, and that way we have the micro USBs slotted in, and then we just have to plug in to the back of the TAPTES wireless charger. So now we can just plug into the back of the TAPTES charger. So we'll go this USB in this port, and then we can plug this USB into this port. Perfect. So now, looking at the back of our charger, you can see these 4 holes on the back, and those fit in perfectly with the Model 3. So those will fit in very, very nicely, and make sure that it sits in here secure and all of that. And then these micro USBs will then slot in to the holes in the actual Model 3 center console. So I'll go ahead and get this installed. Very simple. Just want to make sure that your cables are run all the way through and that they're not scrunching up. And then we just drop it in. So there we go, all installed. Very simple, very easy. We also have a USB-C cable coming off the bottom of this. So if you needed to charge a device that's USB-C, you can use this cable. That'll be running off of one of the USBs as well. But then it just slots right in here at the bottom for it to be nice and concealed when you're using wireless charging. So that is an extremely nice feature as well. And now that we have both those USBs plugged in, there is no dashcam mode enabled because we do not have our USB stick plugged in for that feature. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just plug in our USB stick into one of the available USB ports. So as you can see, I'm just using one of the free available USBs from the TAPTES adapters. So I can plug into that USB, and you will see dashcam mode come on. So it does recognize the USB through these ports, which is extremely nice. It gives you the available option to have the full power of the TAPTES charger, being able to charge 2 phones at once, while also being able to still utilize your USB for dashcam and sentry mode. And you still have one other USB port if you wanted to plug in a lightning cable or a USB-C cable or something like that. So that is extremely nice. So now to make sure that the TAPTES actually works, put on an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and as you can see, we are now charging. So a really nice fit and finish on this TAPTES wireless charger, comparable to the one that Tesla sells directly, but you also get the nice feature of the horizontal mode for some bigger phones while still having dual charging on 2 of your smaller phones, so like an iPhone 11 Pro or an iPhone 11, Samsung phones, whatever phone you're utilizing will fit in this wireless charger, which is really nice, and it looks like it fits the car out of the factory. It's a really nice fit and finish, and it only costs around 1/3 of the price of the one that Tesla sells directly from their website. So I hope you guys enjoyed the product review. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. A lot more Tesla content coming your way soon.